Hello one and all. We are presenting a case study on connecting friends in Facebook using graphs data structures. Introduction. Graphs allows for a virtual display of relationships between sets of entities, where each entity is a node and connections are edges. So for Facebook, we can think of a node as a friend and the edge as a relationship that links our friends together. Graphs are used to solve many real-life problems. Graphs are used to represent networks. The networks may include the path in a city of telephone networks or circuit networks. Graphs are also used in social networks like LinkedIn or Facebook. For example, in a Facebook, each person is represented with a vertex. Each node is an structure of contains information like person ID, name, gender, location, etc. Literature survey. Graph. In computer science term, a graph is a network of nodes that are connected together. The connections between nodes are called edges. One popular example of the graph is the internet. Each node is hostage, and the edges are the pathways that connects these hostages together. Graphs can be classified into two different categories: directed and undirected graphs. A direct graph is composed of undirected paths between two nodes. For graphs G and G, where G contains nodes A and B. If A is connected to B, A can travel to B, but B cannot travel to A. Simple path. A directed graph is likewise an undirected graph is composed of bidirectional path between two nodes. This means that for a graph G, A can travel to B and B can travel to A. In short, an undirected graph is likewise a two-way street. This type of graphs can be used to represent Facebook friends. Not only are you friends with someone else, but they are also friends with each other, mutual friends. If you own a Facebook account, you have probability notice to mutual friends count between each friend recommendations. When Facebook offers friend suggestions to you, will most likely be presented friends in decreasing order by number of mutual friends. We will recruit the mutual friendships counts with attempting to solve these problems with optic complexity. We utilize an adjacency matrix as well as an adjacency list. Adjacency list allows us to iterate through each set of neighbors effectively, while an adjacent matrix allows us to determine whether a person is friend with another is contact time. Depends on how you interact with graph relationship. Be sure that consider to be pros and cons between adjacency list and matrix.
Hi, this is Umsi. Now we are going to discussing about literature survey. The emergency of online social network services over the past decade has revolutionized as social scientists studied the structure of human relationships. As individuals brings their social relations online, the focal point of the internet is evolving from being a network of documents to being a network of people and previously invisible social structure as being captured at tremendous scale and with appreciated details. In this work, we characterize the structure of the world's largest online social network. Facebook is an effort to advise the state of the art in the empirical study of social network. The Facebook graph degree distributed, a fundamental quality measure repeatedly in empirical studies of network has been the degree distribution pk. The degree k of an individual is the number of friends that individual has, and pk is the fraction of individuals in the network who has equality exactly k friends. We computed degree distribution of activity. Facebook users are the entire global population and also with the subpopulation of American users. The global and US degree distributions are shown in the figure 1, displayed on as log scale because the distributions for the US is quite similar to that of the entire population. We focus our attention on the global degree distribution. The distribution is nearly monotonical, decreasing except for all small anomaly near 20 friends. This kind is due to focus within the Facebook product to encourageable friend count individual in practical to gain more friends until they reach 20 friends. The distribution shows a clear cutoff of 5,000 friends, a limit imposed by Facebook on the number of friends at the time of our measurements. Note the signs 5,000 is now here near the number of Facebook user. Each user clearly friends with a visible fraction of the Facebook population, reflecting more observantly social networks over social relationships are spare. And this is the graph of the percentage of pairs within hope distance, and this shows the hope distance, the friends in global USA. Technology trends from 2019, especially after recently complete my favorite class of my NYU Systems Master of Science in Business Analysis course, Network and Platform Analysis with performs Arun Sundar Rajan. According to Gartner, the applications of graph processing and graph database will grow at 100% annually through 2022 to continuously accelerate data preparation and enable more complex and adaptive data science. In computer science, a graph is an abstract data type that is meant to implement the indirect graph and direct graph concept from mathematics, especially the fields of graph theory, and in completing a graph database that use graphs such as of semantic quantities that nodes edges and properties to represent and store data. Let's back up a byte. A picture may be worth 1,000 words, but it does need to speak to you. So does what does a graph shows, and how can we understand those circles, lines, and you surprise lines and super cool looking automatically? To break it down and into simply terms, it's use something common to most of us, our Facebook friends network. Using bring use the using brings us to the topic of this post, using Facebook to understand graphs theory. By far, this was the most interesting and fun thing I have ever done with Facebook. Graphs allows for a visual display of relationship between sets of entity where each entity is a node and connection or edges. So for Facebook, we can think of a node as a friend and the edge of the relationship that links in the friends tag. Thank you. And this is the graph for fractions of upward and neighbors edges are downward.
Problem solving. One way to do this is based on mutual friends. Example, if a user A and C do not know each other but they have a mutual friend B, then probably A and C should be friends too. What if A and C have mutual friends and A and D have three mutual friends? How will the ordering be for suggestions? In this case, it seems pretty obvious to suggest D over C to A because they have more mutual friends and are more likely to get connected. However, two people might not always have mutual friends, but they might have second degree and third degree connections. Proposed solution: A and B are friends. A and B are first degree friends means they have a mutual friend. A and B are second degree friends if they have a friend who is a first degree friend with the other person. Example: A, C, D, B. Then A and B are second degree friends. Similarly, A and B are nth degree friends if they have n connections in between. Example: A, x1, x2, x3, and so on xn. B. Looking at this approach for recommendation, we need to be able to find a degree of friendship that two given user shares on Facebook. We utilize an adjacency matrix as well as adjacent list. Adjacency list allows us to iterate through each set of neighbors efficiently, while the adjacency matrix allows us to determine whether one person is friends with another is constant time. Methodology. Online social media provides real-time information about events and news in the physical world. A challenging problem is then to identify in a timely manner the few relevant bits of information in these massive and fast-paced streams. Most of the current topic clustering and event detection methods focus on user-generated content, hence they are sensible to language, writing style, and are usually expensive to compute. Instead, our approach focuses on mining the structure of the graph generated by the interactions between users. Our hypothesis is the In user interest for particular topics and events are reflected by corresponding changes in the structure of the discussion dynamics. We show that our method is capable of effectively identifying event topics in Twitter ground truth data while offering better overall performance than a purely content based methods based on LDA topic models. Big Bang Theory algorithm, New Fits algorithm. Solution: companies providing online social networking services such as Facebook, Twitter, etc. do not have economic interest in sharing their data about users because our business model mostly relies on advertising. For example, exploiting this information, Facebook provides unique and efficient services to advertising companies. Moreover, questions about the protection of this have been advanced for privacy reasons, in particular for Facebook. 4767. In this social network, for example, information about users and the interconnections among their activities, example, etc., can only be accessed through the interface of the platform. The preserved condition, some contrasts have been implemented. Among other, a limit is imposed to the amount of information accessible from profiles of users not in friendship relations among them. There are also some technical limitations. Example, the friend list is dispatched through any synchronized script, so as to prevent naive techniques of traveling. Some web searches such as the Graphs AP12 has been provided during the last few months. Conclusion: graphs are summed up as a network of nodes which are connected by edges. Furthermore, each graph can be classified as a directed or indirected graph. Directed graphs are like one-way street, while a directed graph is two-way street. Or our mutual funds implementation uses a directed graph, since the friend-friend relationship is a two-way street. Finally, the worst case of this algorithm is when a complete graph is excised.